The biggest drains on investment returns, regardless if we have value stocks or growth stocks, the two biggest drains on investment returns. Hopefully you all know by now what the first is. Taxes. Okay, taxes is the biggest drain on pretty much everything. But hopefully you all also realize by now that we do have some control over taxes. So taxes are within our control. What's not in our control? Inflation. And inflation, I'm sure everyone has felt the impacts of inflation, whereas coffee used to be able to get it for $1, $2. Now, if you went to the Starbucks upstairs, you probably paid $7 for a cup of coffee. It's been dramatic over the last few years, especially since COVID. The current inflation rate right now is 3%. That may not mean much to you all. So let me just zoom out and show you this graph to put it a little bit more in perspective. During COVID, during the peak COVID years in June 2022, the inflation rate was as high as 9%. This is extreme. If we zoomed out on this graph even further and went back maybe 20 years, you would see that inflation was hovering probably less than 1%. So this is a much more different economic environment that we're in now than we were in previously. And this all impacts how we think about investing. One thing I want to leave you with is that inflation does not reverse itself. As long as these numbers are positive, the prices of goods are always going to be higher than they were. So a 7% inflation rate, goods increased by average 7%, let's say as an example, that's never going away. That increased price will always be there and it will continue to increase.